Hi, and welcome to today's assignment. Really congratulate yourself for coming so far, taking 10 to 15 minutes every day for yourself, for your physical and mental fitness. That is really, really great. Today, we will be doing a mindfulness walk. So see if you can take 10 minutes to walk in nature, a park, or wherever you can go. Plug in your earphones and follow me on this journey. So first, just focus on your steps. Focus on what is happening within you as you walk. Focus on sensations in your feet, in your legs. How do your arms feel when you're walking? And as you focus on what sensations are on your body when you're walking, you come back and arrive in this present moment. Listen inside of you. How are you feeling right now? What is within you? Notice what is there. Don't develop a story. Don't go with the thoughts. Notice and observe. What is there? Then bring your attention to what you're seeing. Look around you as if you were just born. Look around you with curiosity, as if you're seeing the things you're seeing for the first time. Look at little details. See the beauty in the little things surrounding you. The leaves, wood, the colors, these amazing colors of our world. Take in everything you can see. And look at it with gratitude. Gratitude that all of this exists. And as you continue walking and looking and being in awe at this incredible creation around you, say thank you for everything that you see, for the little things, for the beauty, for the complexity. Continue on your path, continue walking. See the beauty. Say thank you. And if you have a little spot where you can stand still or even maybe sit down for a moment. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale through the mouth. And after you have been seeing what is there outside, all this beauty, this incredible creation, look inside of you. Look at the beauty and the complexity, at everything inside of you. And see how incredible of a creation you are. No one is exactly like you. And say thank you for everything that life has already given you, for everything that is within you. Fill your heart with gratitude that you are here right now, alive, to thrive. And then gently open your eyes again and look around you. Look at the colors again. How does it look like now? Has anything changed? Start working again if it's okay for you. Step after step, following a path, like you're taking step after step in your life, and like you're doing the best you can in any given moment in your life, on your path. And take step after step. Step after step. And feel that with every step that you're walking, you are walking more towards you. The real, authentic you, not any image you have acquired, any image you would like to portray, but that you that is alive within you. And all it wants is wanting to be seen, to be heard, to be let out. You can feel that with every step you take, you connect more to that essence within you, to that fire within you. And you feel that every step you take, you leave things behind. Because the past is the past, and it has taught you so many valuable lessons. And yet all that counts is now, right now. And being you. And you take step after step towards yourself, towards you. And you feel lighter with every step, brighter with every step. And take step after step. And look around you again. Look at the beauty. Nature is so beautiful. It is hard to put into words. And so are you. And as you realize this and this message really sinks into your heart, you feel so liberated. You're free. You are truly free. And take the next moments to repeat this mantra to yourself. I am free to be me. I am free to be me. I am free to be me. I am free. Repeat it with every step you take. And feel that freedom within you, that liberation. You are free. And then focus on the sensations again as you walk. How does it feel like in your feet? How does it feel like in your legs? What can you feel in your upper body, in your arms? And what is going on inside your head? Just notice those things. Walk and connect with your body, with you. And if you want to finish this mindfulness gratitude walk, go to a place where you can shout. If you don't want to, totally fine. Just close your eyes for a moment, and shout or cry or sing. Let something come out. Maybe you want to sing Om, or anything that comes out, let it out. Release. Or you just want to sigh. And then continue your journey, step after step. Thank you for joining and taking time for yourself, for bringing out what is alive within you, for being you. And I wish you a beautiful day ahead.